This video is going to be about the top box of Royal Enfield Himalayan. This is one of the biggest top box, 40 liters from Shad. Let's go to the video. So when you are planning for a 2 or 3 day ride, it is very good comfortable thing to carry a top case because panniers are a bit heavy to carry and always carrying things through a bungee cart with bags is not that comfortable. So a top box like this would be highly helpful. You can drop our helmets and riding jackets inside it, lock it, and you can just go for sightseeing like a regular traveler. So if you are planning for a 2 or 3 days bike ride, a pannier system will be always comfortable, but a top box is much more easier in handling it because the panniers from Royal Enfield are not that easy to unmount and mount it back. So a top box is like just a suitcase. We can just remove it, take it, and we can walk out to the room. When I was searching for a top box, I had three main things in the mind. So it should hold my helmet, that is my full face helmet, and when I searched through YouTube, but no one gave a clear explanation whether Shad 29 liters or 30 liters or 39 liters will hold a helmet. So I went in person to every shop which had Shad products and then tried it and then took this. Yes, this box looks big, but it serves the purpose. Other most important question what I had in my mind is whether we can fix the top box on the standard fitment of the tail given by Royal Enfield Himalayan, but the answer is no, we cannot. So we need to have an aftermarket tail rack and then put the Shad plate, and then we have to fix the top box because it is going to hold 3 to 5 kgs of weight, and fixing it on a small tail rack from a Royal Enfield standard Himalayan is not that recommended. Let's take the tour of the top box. Let me show you the inside of the top box. So this is spacious enough to hold my full face helmet with the intercom, and we have so much space left to keep our riding gear in case if we want our rain liners, and even riding jacket if you are off for some 2-3 hours on a sunny day. So this is the Shad branding, and these are the aftermarket stickers post purchasing the product. And the best part of the top box is like we can easily remove it by one click. That's it. So you can carry it to your room like a suitcase. It's comfortable in carrying 2-3 days things for a ride. Easy to fit too. So let me show you how we fit the product back to the bike. So there are 2 grooves here, and we have 2 brackets here. So we're gonna slide in, fix it, and we're just gonna pull the lever. That's it. So it is sturdy and strong enough even at 100 and 120 km/h speed. So when you're going out, we're just going to lock this so that it cannot be removed. Now the top box, safe and sound. So the final most important thing, the price of the top box. Top rack, which is of good quality, comes around 1,600 to 2,000 rupees. It is a good one-time investment, but it is useful for your long rides and day out rides as well. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, do subscribe and share to your dear ones. I will catch up with another vlog soon. Until then, take care, bye bye, and see ya.